how long after trading demo account you can go real? It's a very good question, and one of my Instagram followers asked me yesterday, and I promised him to make a video for that. So please pay attention, it's a very important video. When you are trading demo account, please pay attention. Don't rush to real account right away. You know, for the rest of your life, you will trade real account. So please pace yourself at the beginning and try to learn, and don't risk your money for nothing. So when you are trading demo account, you should define a set of 20 trades in a row without any changing a strategy in the between, okay? If you change the strategy, you should come back to the first. In all of your 20 trades, you should consider money management and set a stop loss. It's very important, okay? 3 conditions. Don't make any change in strategy in this 20 trades. Consider money management and setting a stop loss. If you are profitable, you should set another 20 trades, okay? In the next 20 trades, again, don't change anything, considering money management and setting a stop loss. Now you have trade 2 sets of 20 trades. It's up to you. You can go to real, and if you are conservative, you can make another 20 trades. And after that, go to real. Okay? That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in a comment box.